Oke, good morning everybody. Sebelum kita melaksanakan pembelajaran untuk hari ini, alangkah baiknya kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Untuk berdoa saya pimpin sendiri. Berdoa terhadap keyakinannya masing-masing. Berdoa dipersilakan. Berdoa selesai. Oke. After that, I will check your attendance one by one. Number one, Abrizam Naufal Ransi, are you here? Ahmad Isom.
Hadir, Pak.
Adelia Lutfianda Putri.
Hadir, Pak.
Adelia Khatrunada Rahima.
Hadir, Pak.
Adelia Rahma Wibowo.
Hadir, Pak.
Hadir, Pak.
Okay. Alia Mukhalisa Nabila Zulfa.
Hadir, Pak.
Anastasia Naswa Putri Miranda.
I'm here, Pak.
Anita Rahmat Dewi Hendarto.
Hadir, Pak.
Adelia Naswa Syafitri.
Hadir, Pak.
Bernard Widya Zulfati Rohim. Are you here? Cesareta Nisrina Abdi Mazaya. Cihuita Azarin.
Hadir.
Devinta Atanafis Putri Dasuki.
Hadir, Pak.
Okay. Eka Putra Agung Ramadan.
Hadir, Pak.
Widela Zara Putri Sulestyo.
Hadir, Pak.
Ivan Atmaja.
Hadir, Pak.
Okay. Keiza Galuh Ranaka.
Hadir, Pak.
Meta Franficasari.
Hadir, Pak.
Okay. Muhammad Ilham Syarifullah.
Hadir, Pak.
Muhammad Ilham. Oke. Okay. Muhammad Rafi Abdian Ramadhani.
Hadir, Pak.
Nabila Syahrani Putri Wicaksono.
Hadir, Pak.
Oke. Okay. Tiara Ramadhana.
Hadir, Pak.
Oke. Okay. Fania Nurwidiadari.
Hadir, Pak.
Okay. Last one is Zakia Edivia Awulida. Are you here?
Hadir, Pak.
Okay, have a little game. Jadi di sini saya punya game. Untuk gamenya, kalian bisa meneruskan kata yang berhubungan dengan materi kita hari ini. Teman-teman, apa ada yang tahu materi? Oke, materi kita hari ini yaitu personal letter atau surat pribadi. Oke, untuk gamenya kita harus meneruskan kata per kata, yaitu misalnya saya awali dengan kata invite, itu terakhirnya huruf E, jadi kalian harus mencari kata lain yang awalannya huruf E. Oke. Are you understand? Are you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now I want to start from Anastasia. Setelah Anastasia bisa meneruskan kata dari saya, Anastasia boleh bebas menunjuk siapapun untuk melanjutkannya. Okay. The one word is word, the last is D. Okay. Anastasia, let's go.
Could you repeat that again, sir?
Okay. My word is dear. Can you continue with R?
Rotten.
Okay. You can choose your friend.
Alia Muklisa.
Okay. Who your choose, Anastasia?
Alia Muklisa, sir.
Alia is have something. Maybe other.
Need, Mister.
Third
Last word
one
is
and
D.
last word is D. Okay, please choose your friend.
Ahmad Revan, Mister.
Okay, Ahmad Evansa, please continue the word. The last word is D.
I choose Dodi.
Okay, maybe the game is just like this. Okay, I will continue to the material. Oke, di sini sudah ada yang tahu apa itu personal letter? Maybe Rima Mutiara, can you explain what is a personal letter? Stanis Rina.
Personal letter itu
Ya.
sebuah surat yang tidak resmi, jadi biasa dikirim dari individu ke individu lain yang berisi hal-hal yang nggak resmi yang biasa diomongkan di hari-hari biasa gitu.
Okay, very good. Your answer is good. Jadi personal letter itu seperti surat pribadi atau privasi untuk individu, seperti orang-orang yang kenal baik, orang-orang yang kenal dekat dengan kita. Oke, very good. Cesareta, mungkin anyone know the structure of personal letter? Maybe like a date or solution and etc. Mungkin ada yang bisa menjawab tentang struktur personal letter. Anastasia, maybe?
From what I know, personal letters have 4 basic parts. Those basic parts are heading, the opening, body, and the closing. Tapi biasanya beda-beda sih pas dia tergantung jenis letternya.
Yep, very good. Your answer is very good. Jadi untuk personal letter, untuk the structure of personal letter, maybe have a head or opening, and then date, address, and then salutation and name, body, closing and greeting card, and the last one is signature. Okay. Next, thank you, Anastasia. I will give you the example of personal letter. Okay, wait for a moment. Can you see the example of personal letter?
Yes, sir.
Hello guys. Okay. Okay, this one is example for the personal letter. The first one, we must write like the address and the date and the salutation after the date. Okay. And then your greeting like hello, hi, hello bro, like that. And the introduction, you can use your language maybe. And after the introduction, you can write the body paragraph like kata-kata apa yang ingin kalian ungkapkan, atau sebuah ajakan atau sebuah ucapan apa yang ingin kalian ucapkan, itu kalian tulis di isi paragraf. And then after body paragraph, you can put the closure, and then you can write the closing like regards, best regards, like my love, my sweetheart, like that. And then after that, after the closing, you can put the signature, your signature, and the last is postscript. Maybe anybody to ask to me about personal letter before we continue? Any question, guys?
Not yet, sir.
Oke, untuk the purpose of personal letter. Jadi tujuan untuk personal letter kita itu untuk menyampaikan sesuatu yang akan kita ungkapkan kepada orang yang kita kenal dekat atau orang yang paling kita kenal. Jadi untuk personal letter itu tidak resmi. Untuk tujuannya untuk menyampaikan suatu ungkapan atau cerita, mungkin bisa seperti itu ya. Oke. I want you make a group to text one. Everybody can see. May I share screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you 5 minutes to read the text one, and then you can answer the text one. Okay, guys, finish. Okay, I will ask you. Are you still here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read the text one.
October 3rd, 2019. Dear Andre, how are you in Bali? I hope everything is well. We haven't met since I moved to Yogyakarta. It's about 3 months, isn't it? I will tell you about my new house. In Yogyakarta, I live in a village. The name of the village is Bulerejo. It is located near Prambanan Temple. I believe that you know about this temple. My village is small, but it is clean. There are many green plants around my new house. The air is very fresh. I love the environment. I also have some neighbors. They are very friendly. They greet me warmly when I move to my new house. They help me to know the place well. So far, it is very nice to stay here. How about you, Andre? Please tell me everything about you in Bali, and I would be glad to read it. Love, Siska.
Okay, thank you. Abdusam Naufal, do you still here?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, please answer number one. What the main idea from the text one? Or anybody can answer number one. Please raise
Excuse
your hand.
me, sir. I want to try to answer the question number one.
Okay.
Okay, so the main idea of this personal letter is that Siska want to tell us about her new house in Yogyakarta to Andre.
Good, your answer is very clear. Okay, thank you, Alicia. Number two,
Mister Anastasia.
who want to answer number two? Okay,
The social
Anastasia.
function of the letter is to tell Siska's experience since she moved to Jogja.
Okay, your answer is very good. Your answer is very clear. Okay, maybe number one and number two is this is the answer from Anastasia and Alicia Katrina is very clear. Okay, guys. Okay, I will repeat the question. Who want to answer number one from the text two? Please raise your hand, guys.
Mister
Okay, who's your name?
Tario.
Okay, Maria. Okay, number one.
Number one is Mr. Jody.
Mr. Georgie. Okay, your answer is very good. Your answer is very clear. The answer number one is Mr. Georgie. Okay, number two. Who wants to answer? Anita Rahmadewi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer number two.
Number two, the letter written on September 2019.
Okay. Your answer is good and clear. I will see again. October, yeah? Maybe not September, but your answer is yeah. The answer is good.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. Number 3. Who want to answer? Bernard Swidia, maybe can answer number 3.
Yes, sir. Because the machine that Mr. Arya purchased is broken.
Okay, very good. The answer number 3 is like this, and because the machine she purchased failed to bake the cookies well. Okay, thank you, Bernard. Number 4, Anastasia, ya. Repeat again number 4.
I look forward to your reply. The underlined words have the closest meaning with your response.
Okay, nice. Your answer is very good and very clear. Okay, the last one, number 5.
Me, sir.
Okay,
Muhammad Rafi.
Muhammad Rafi. Okay,
The answer for number 5 is damaged machine.
can you repeat again?
The answer for number
Okay.
5 is damaged machine.
Machine. Okay, very good. Number 5 is very good. Okay, thank you, Rafi. Oke guys, mungkin ini beberapa soal dari saya. Oke, saya minta untuk kalian membuat grup terdiri dari 2 orang untuk membuat personal letter ya guys ya. Jadi nanti kalian bisa kirimkan ke Ibu Endang, Ibu. Nanti biar panjenengan kirim ke saya. Gitu nggih.
Nggih, Pak.
Oke, jadi untuk teman-teman silakan membuat grup untuk personal letter. Mungkin bisa jadi di file PDF atau di Word, mungkin terserah kalian. Oke. Untuk materi hari ini, apa yang telah kalian pelajari dari materi hari ini, guys? What do you get from this class today? Maybe Cesareta.
Ya, Pak.
Okay. What do you get from this class today?
Jadi hari ini mempelajari tentang personal letter, mulai dari definisi, struktur. Di sini juga menganalisis personal letter itu juga.
Oke, thank you Cesareta. Jadi untuk pelajaran hari ini kita mempelajari tentang personal letter, apa itu personal letter, and what the structure of personal letter, what the part of a personal letter, and what the purpose of personal letter. Oke, mungkin sekian untuk pelajaran hari ini, Bu Enda. Untuk minggu depan, semoga kalian tetap diberi kesehatan, stay healthy, stay safe. Semoga kalian diberi kelancaran dalam melakukan pembelajaran. Okay. Maybe this is for me, and I'm sorry if I have a wrong way and wrong word for you guys. Okay. Thank you for your coming. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.